Hello, hi everyone. I'm Lloyd Adams. Welcome to part 8 of the GY6 scooter rebuild. In this video, I'm going to be installing a speedometer cable. So let's get started. Alright, so right here, I got two speedometer cables. Okay, this speedometer cable is the one that came off my scooter, which is right here. And this speedometer cable came off of the blue scooter that I bought, which is a picture right up here. Okay, now my speedometer cable, okay, the cable is actually broken. It's actually stretched right here, so which means the plastic coating, all right, is actually came apart, and it actually stretched the metal twine cable that's inside. So this is no good. Okay, now this cable right here is still good. Okay, now the inside of this cable, so if I get a flashlight, okay, now inside of this cable, if anybody can see that, okay, now there's like a grommet inside, okay, and the grommet, it's up too close to the top of the threads. And if you notice this one right here, okay, the grommet's further down, right, because it's further away from the threading, okay, which is the top. It's further away. Okay, now I'm not a fan of plastic housing, because this goes in the front of the scooter tire, but on the side. And as I ride the scooter, okay, this here tells you how fast you're going when I ride the scooter. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, this one right here has been more reliable. Okay, I just don't like plastic because it's poor quality. So I'm going to take this cable here off. Okay, spin it off. All right, now pull that off. Okay, so this one right here I'm not going to use. Okay, now this one I'm going to take off as well. Sorry for the noise. My next door neighbor's got somebody mowing his grass and doing some edging, so sorry about the noise. Okay, so this one right here I'm going to use. Okay, now if anybody has to change, okay, like adapter housing, okay, that goes on the side of the scooter, okay, that tells you how fast you're going, like I mentioned. All right, but take some paper towel, and you want to clean the threading off as much as you can to get the threading nice and clean. And again, I'm very sorry for the noise. Okay, like that. Okay, now this one I'm going to use. Say this one right here I'm not going to use, because this is the one that came off this one. So this is now garbage. Okay, now, and then this one right here gets screwed down here like that. Okay, now I want to make sure that the inside of where the threading is here is cleaned out as best as it can. Okay, just like that. All right, now there's a I guess what you call a flexible square, I guess wire, what you want to call it, or something, and it fits right down the side of this. So it fits right down here like that. That I don't cross thread this, because this is cheap, like I guess what you call cheap aluminum, copper, or something like that, and it's easy to cross thread. So if I put it on here wrong and I'm turned like this, I can cross thread it and do damage to the actual threading, okay, as well as inside of here. So what I'm gonna do is get it started, feel it, get it started, and then there we go. Okay, keep turning it until it stops. Take a pair of plastibles like this, because if you use channel locks and you squeeze the coupling here, okay, too much, you'll actually bend it, and then you're gonna end up having to buy a whole new cable. So right, so just take it like this. Okay, turn it until it stops like that. Okay, now we install it. Okay, now same thing. Okay, what you want to do is, again, the flexible long other ender here goes up inside of this, which goes just like that. Again, I don't want to cross thread. Turn feel. Ah, there it goes, and it's going on smooth. Okay, so like that. Keep going until you can't hardly turn it anymore. Okay, like right there. Take the pair of adjustable pliers, and you want to basically just keep turning it until it doesn't turn anymore, which is like that. Okay, and there you go. It's all done. And then it fits, basically just goes on here along with the tire and everything else going on just like that. Well, everyone, that's it for the video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next video. Peace.